big problem throughout the world. However, it hasn't stopped today. In fact, it affected the marketing industry with something called the pink tax. The pink tax is a very important matter and a term used to represent inflation in women's products. The pink tax makes women's products a lot more expensive.
The pink tax is what they call the fact that products that are geared towards women are more expensive than the same exact products that are for men or that can be used for both genders.
Products directed towards women are on average 13% more expensive. The state of California estimated that women paid $2,300 for goods, which comes out to around $188,000 over their lifetime. With this, they have to pay $1,300 more than men each year. Within the pink tax, there is also a subcategory known as the period tax, or sometimes the tampon tax. With the period tax, items such as tampons are frequently considered luxury items. With this, some women cannot afford them even though they are necessary for most women, and some value them as necessities.
Aside from the period tax, many other things are priced higher when targeted towards women. Items targeted towards women or girls are typically pink, hence the name of the pink tax. Usually because of the pink tax, pink products are priced higher than the same product in blue. The pink tax is a very important issue, and due to all these injustices, women have started protesting for gender equality, with the same rights for all genders, such as equal pay. But we can stop this together. You can help this problem by locally doing many things.
Don't buy the female versions of the product. So for instance, if you see 2 cups and the version for girls costs more than the version for boys, right? You can either boycott the product, find a product that promotes gender equality, or you can just try and find things that are gender neutral.
But perhaps the most important thing you can do is bring awareness. Much like this video is bringing awareness to you.